హాయ్ హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కీర్తి. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సినిమా బస్. ఈ రోజు మనతో ఎవరున్నారు? మలయాళం మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో చైల్డ్ యాక్టర్స్ లాగా మూవీస్లోకి వచ్చారు. తర్వాత తమిళ్లో ఫీమేల్ లీడ్ లాగా డెబ్యూ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఫస్ట్ మూవీతో మనందరి ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. షీఈస్ ద క్యూటెస్ట్ ఇవానా. లవ్ టుడే మూవీ తోటి మనందరికీ చెప్పు బుజ్జి కన్నా అంటూ అందరినీ పలకరించారు. మరి ఆ బుజ్జి కన్నతో మాట్లాడేద్దామా? హాయ్ ఇవానా.
Hi, hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much. I should tell you, you're looking so pretty today.
Thank you.
Great. Alina Shaji, right?
Yes.
Ivana Laga, Ella change ayaru. Is that your screen name? Like, did somebody suggest you, or how did you come for Ivana?
Yes. Ivana is my screen name. While doing my first movie in Tamil, Nachiyar, Bala sir, the director, he asked me to change the name because Alina was difficult to pronounce for everyone.
It's so pretty. If you ask me, it's very pretty.
Hey,
Alina is
but
very pretty.
some people, they don't pronounce it correctly.
Okay.
So he thought like a different name would be better for the screen. So we
Okay.
changed it to Ivana.
Nice. I think Telugu audiences would accept you the same way with same love, Ivana aina, Alina aina, because they will only look for your performance, right? Well, since we were talking about Nachiyar, I want to ask you, how was it with Jyotika ma'am?
A very splendid experience because I think that was my first like oru celebrity moment. I love Surya sir. Okay, so I was like, okay, if Jyotika ma'am is there, then Surya sir would also be there. you know.
Did he ever come to sets?
Yes,
while you
he
were shooting
came.
for that?
He came one day,
Okay.
but I did not meet him personally.
Okay.
He came to pick her up one day.
Okay.
So I just saw him from the car, and
Okay.
I said like hi from the car,
Okay.
and yeah,
He gave back at you?
yes, he
Okay.
did.
Didn't you ask Jyotika ma'am and Surya sir, please introduce? You didn't ask her?
No, I was so scared at that time. Like
Yeah, you were so young also,
Yes,
right?
I was
How old were
17.
you? 17.
yes,
Yeah,
I was
you're
in
too
12th
young.
standard.
Okay. So you were able to just see him from a distance. I
Yes.
hope you will meet him very soon.
Yes,
in your
I hope
upcoming
so.
projects. Alright, so Malayalam industry lo మీరు చైల్డ్ యాక్టర్స్ లాగా మీ కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. How old were you when you faced the camera for the first time?
12 years. I was in 6th standard.
Okay.
I had no idea about what cinema is, how cinema is, what I should do. I used to do dramas, skit, mono act, and everything in school. But then suddenly one day a film opportunity came. I just went there. The director asked me to do something. I did. I came back. That was it.
How did that opportunity come to you?
It was my uncle. Okay, my father's brother. He got this information from his friend.
Okay.
So that is how I went there.
Alright. సో మలయాళం మూవీస్లో చైల్డ్ యాక్టర్స్ లాగా చేశారు. తమిళ్ మూవీలోకి హీరోయిన్ లాగా డెబ్యూ. హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇన్ లవ్?
In Tamil, Bala sir saw one article of mine from a previous movie I did in Malayalam called Anuraga Karikin Vellam. And he called me for a photo shoot. That was the first time I like traveled out. Like it's a new place, a new language. Cinema was actually sort of new to me because I was like actually first I thought it was a fake call because I never expected someone to call me from the Tamil industry to act in a movie or anything. So I went there. He did some photo shoots. Everything was so sudden, and it happened.
బట్ మీ ఫస్ట్ మూవీలోనే యూ వర్ క్యారింగ్ అ బేబీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్ కదా. ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు డూ సచ్ అ రోల్.
Yes.
సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ డూ ఇట్? డిడ్ యూ లెర్న్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీబడి, ఎనీ స్పెషల్ కేర్? అసలు అలా కెరియర్ అంటే స్టార్ట్లోనే అలాంటి ఒక టిపికల్ రోల్ చేయడం నాట్ సో ఈజీ, బట్ యూ
Yes.
నెయిల్డ్ ఇట్. సో
Thank you.
అందుకనే అడుగుతున్నాను. లైక్
I'll give the full credits to Bala sir because that was my acting school. He molded me as an actor. He told me what to do, what not to do. He's very meticulous. Very, if he wants something, he'll wait till he gets that from me. Very, if even if my hand position is like this, if he wanted like this, he'll take the shot till my hand is like this.
ఓకే.
That much he's very well prepared in his mind, like what he wants to take.
రైట్.
So until he gets, but that's what he's very clear in his mind, no? So the communication is much more easier.
Right.
He shows what he wants. He acts and shows. So it was, at first I found it difficult because of the language issues, and also I was just 17 years old. It was not easy to carry such a character, but I somehow managed. Yeah.
గ్రేట్. లవ్ టుడే ఎలా వచ్చింది మీ దగ్గరికి? హౌ డిడ్ యు గెట్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ?
Love Today, I was shooting for Inka Oka movie. So the manager from Love Today, he called me and told me like they are looking for me for this role. So I went there for the audition. Pradeep, he gave me one of the biggest dialogues from the movie.
Okay, you did it and you got it through the audition itself.
Yes, yeah.
ఓకే, గ్రేట్. తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ అందరికీ లవ్ టుడేలో నిఖితా లాగా మీరు చాలా అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. మీరు అనుకున్నారా అంటే తమిళ మూవీ తెలుగులో డబ్ అయినప్పుడు తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ దగ్గర ఎంత క్రేజ్ వస్తుంది, నన్ను ఇలా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారని మీరు అనుకున్నారా?
యాక్చువల్లీ తమిళ్లో కూడా నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు అలాగ రెస్పాన్స్. ఐ న్యూ ఇట్ వాస్ అ గుడ్ మూవీ, బట్ ఇంత రెస్పాన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ బిగ్ ఫర్ మీ. అండ్ దెన్ అగైన్ వెన్ ఇట్ గాట్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ Telugu, no, people went crazy in the theaters. I saw it with my own eyes. I went for theater visits here, and I could see people screaming Nikita's name, Bujji Kanna. I still have that moments within me when you just
So
ask me,
fresh.
no,
You have
yeah,
it so
yes,
fresh.
yes.
నాట్ జస్ట్ లవ్ టుడే, డ్రాగన్ నేను థియేటర్లో చూసినప్పుడు యూ డూ దట్ స్మాల్ క్యామియో ఇన్ ద క్లైమాక్స్ కదా. ద మూమెంట్ యూ ఫ్లాష్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్, people started cheering Nikita.
Yes, yes.
How did you feel? Did you watch it in theater?
I did not watch it in the theater, but I saw the videos, tags and everything. I watched it on OTT only.
Okay.
I felt extremely happy.
Okay.
As an actor, I felt very happy because
Okay.
the character I did, even though it was Harini, the character's name in Dragon is Harini, but people were screaming Nikita.
Nikita, yeah.
That is something special, no? I felt extremely happy.
ఓకే, సో ప్రదీప్ గారు మీకు డ్రాగన్లో చిన్న క్యామియో చేయాలి అని అడిగినప్పుడు వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ రియాక్షన్? డిడ్ యూ సే yes immediately?
Pradeep did not contact me. Actually, the director,
Okay.
he spoke with me. He explained what the movie is about, how my character is going to be, and everything. I met Pradeep only on the set, on the shoot day. After a long gap, I met him there only.
సో సింగిల్ ఎలా వచ్చింది మీ దగ్గర? ది స్టోరీ, హౌ డిడ్ ఇట్ కమ్ టు యూ? ఇట్స్ అ డైరెక్ట్ తెలుగు మూవీ కదా,
Yes,
తెలుగులో
yes.
ఇంతకు ముందు చేయలేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇన్ తెలుగు. సో
Yes.
హౌ డిడ్ ద స్టోరీ కమ్ టు యూ?
My manager told me that actually my manager and director, no, they're friends. They know from before, and he told me that there is a script. It's from Geeta Arts, and all of them are doing. And Karthik sir, he narrated me the script, and I asked for the written script so that I can read and know more about it. I found a lot of exciting elements in this movie, in this script. My character, all of their characters, how the flow of the film, the interval, the climax. So that excited. Yes.
సో సిన్స్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ దిస్, గీతా ఆర్ట్స్ కదా ఫస్ట్ మూవీ, తెలుగులోనే మీరు గీతా ఆర్ట్స్లో చేశారు. సో హౌ వాజ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? అల్లు అరవింద్ గారిని ఎప్పుడైనా కలిసారా సెట్స్లో?
Yes.
హౌ వాజ్ హీ?
So one day he came to the set, and I went to meet him. I was actually scared because I knew he was a very friendly person. But again, no, when we meet someone that big, we'll have automatically alaga undadi kada. So I was just standing there, and he turned and talked to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he made you feel comfortable.
Yes, he made me feel very comfortable. He
Okay.
asked me about my hometown, my family, and how the shooting is going. It's very friendly. Yeah.
Lovely. సో మూవీలో మీరు శ్రీ విష్ణు గారితో చేశారు. సో శ్రీ విష్ణు గారు హీఈస్ నోన్ ఫర్ హిస్ సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమర్, హిస్ రోస్టింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. యూట్యూబ్లో దెర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ వీడియోస్ విచ్ వెంట్ వైరల్ శ్రీ విష్ణు గారివి. సో సెట్స్లో ఎలా ఉండేవారు? వుడ్ హీ డూ ద సేమ్ విత్ యూ యాజ్ వెల్? ఎలా ఉంటారు?
He's actually, when he's with Kishore sir, Venla Kishore sir, he does that.
Okay.
Both of them does that. ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఏదైనా ప్లాన్ చేసి they'll make jokes, tease people, all of that happens. But when he talks to me, ఇంకా కొంచెం calm గా he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's still not getting to that point with you.
Yeah. But
Very
when there is a
good.
combination, no, when there is him, Kishore sir, and me,
Mhm.
that is different.
Okay.
When we are alone, that is different.
Yeah, I saw one video of yours. I think it's in your Insta handle. You and Ketka were sitting next to each other.
Mhm.
Sri Vishnu sir వచ్చి ఏంటి ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ముచ్చట్లు పెడుతున్నారు షార్ట్ రెడీ అయింది
అవును.
దట్ వాస్ వెరీ క్యూట్
Thank you.
I saw it. I think the next day you posted it. Yeah. And Ketka, how was she? How was working experience with Ketka ma'am?
Very lovely girl she is.
Okay.
I mean, she has got this energy, uh, which sometimes I feel like, yes, I need that girl energy.
Okay.
That is how it is.
Okay.
I have not much. I have few combination scenes with her, but most of the time, no. When her shot is over, I'll come. Then when my shot is over, she'll come. Because that is how the story is, kind of.
Okay.
The scene. That is how the scenes are.
Okay.
But when we see, we wish each other. She asked about my mom, Kerala food, the food I eat, and everything. So she's a lovely girl.
Alright. So are you a foodie?
I won't say I'm a foodie, but I like food.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you try any Telugu food since you are in Hyderabad now? Did you try any Telugu cuisine? Anything?
I tried certain foods here, but అన్ని ఫుడ్ చాలా స్పైసీగా ఉంది. అది నాకు కొంచెం இல்ல ரொம்ப ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ. కొంచెం కష్టం అది.
So anything you like so far? It is అంటే స్పైసీ ఉన్నా కూడా ఏదైనా నచ్చిందా? I think Hyderabad is famous for so many dishes. I think you should try apricot delight. You'll love it.
I'll try it.
You didn't try it
Definitely.
yet?
No,
You have
no,
to
no.
try it. It's
I will
very
try
famous.
it.
You have to try it. Do not
Yes.
forget. The next one I wanted to ask is let's get married. In a Koro idea. That's your dialogue,
Yeah.
right? So every single time you said that, like a next door girl kind of vibe you gave in that movie. So how was it with Harish Kalyan sir? How was the working experience with Nadia ma'am?
That movie, the experience completely a family type of experience,
Right.
because when all of us are in the set, it's completely, we're all very happy. It's not like we're shooting for a movie. It's
Okay.
like a lot of friends came, or somebody, like we all came discussing this, shooting this, and it was completely different from what I did in other movies.
Okay.
And it was very fast also. I think only within 3 months or something, the whole film.
Shooting
Yeah.
is done.
Yes.
Great.
It was very nice. And Nadia ma'am, she has a very sweet approach to me. She's a very family person.
Yeah.
Her husband once visited her in the set.
Okay.
He stayed there for a few days or something. And she always calls her daughters on set. She video calls them. She asks about my mother, my siblings. She gives I learned like you can actually balance family life and your career seeing her.
Right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So single lo Ivana is coming as Harini, right? So Harini character ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది?
You'll love Harini for sure.
That Telugu audience will definitely do, but is that like the bubbly girl or is it like career-oriented woman? What kind of role can we expect in the movie?
So she's basically a dancer.
Okay.
She's someone, if she loves someone, she gives everything to that person. She fights for something she loves.
Okay.
And of course, she's very cheerful. She's always smiling, but that doesn't mean she's always happy.
Okay. Right.
So,
ట్రైలర్లో చూస్తే మాకు ట్రయాంగిల్ లవ్ స్టోరీ మీరు శ్రీ విష్ణు గారు వెనకాల పడ్డం అలా చేస్తారు అని తెలుసు. రియల్ లైఫ్లో అలా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
ఏం లేదు.
ఇట్స్ ఓకే, లైక్ ఆన్ కెమెరా చెప్పకపోతే ఆఫ్ కెమెరా నేను మిమ్మల్ని మళ్ళీ
ఆఫ్
అడుగుతాను.
చేయండి.
రైట్, ఐ అప్ ఫర్ ఎ స్మాల్ గేమ్, చిన్న ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రెడీ, ఓకే. హూ వాజ్ ద లాస్ట్ పర్సన్ యూ హ్యావ్ స్టాక్డ్ ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్?
Stalked?
Do you stalk anybody on Instagram?
Yes, I
You
do.
right? So who was
Come
the last
on,
one?
we stalked. That's
Yeah.
what the list is so long, so I'm thinking who is the
Pick
last
one.
person. I don't remember. I have a lot of list.
Just tell one name, that's okay. Even if it is not the last, but one is also fine.
Oh, seriously, I don't remember.
Okay, all right. Who was the last person you texted in WhatsApp?
My mother.
Okay.
Because I wanted this outfit to come today.
Okay.
So
you
I called her.
texted
Yes.
to send out.
Yes,
Okay, lovely. Who is your celebrity crush? Do you have any celebrity crush?
Right now, I don't have anyone.
Okay.
But I used to have
Years ago?
celebrity.
Years ago?
Years ago, I had a crush on Vijay Deverakonda.
Vijay Deverakonda. Okay, lovely. Dream actor you wanted to work with?
The list is so long.
Pick one for us.
Allu Arjun sir.
Allu Arjun sir, great. Dream director you want to work with?
From Telugu or
Yeah, you say maybe you can say both Telugu, Tamil, or maybe
of course I
general
want
ga
to.
kuda cheppochu because now more of the movies are going pan India.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
I want to work with Rajamouli sir.
Rajmouli sir,
Yes.
definitely you're aiming very big. All right. So do you watch Telugu movies?
Yes, I
మామూలుగా
do.
చూస్తారా? What was your last Telugu movie which you watched?
Mad.
Mad you watched. Okay. Was it in the theater?
No, OTT.
OTT only. Okay. What was your most recent theatrical experience for a movie? Like theater lo చూసిన మూవీ మీరు బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసింది ఏంటి? Any languages fine.
Last watched movie in theater is Emburan.
Emburan.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that movie. Yeah. So Love Today movie tarvata, how was your friends' reaction with you? Did anybody come to you and give you any weird compliments or something funny with your friends?
Not weird compliments, but my friend, she's studying here in MBBS in Vizag. Okay. So one day she randomly called me and asked me to say that I'm your friend, I'm your best friend. And I was like, Enduku? And she's like, I have to convince my other friends that you are my friend. Ala, she told me.
Okay.
So that was after Love Today. So I was like, till now it was all okay. But now she's like, yeah, she's my friend. So they wanted proof. So she called me at that
Somebody
time.
else was asking her to do that.
Maybe, I don't know.
Ragging అలా ఏమైనా చేశారేమో seniors. Could be possible.
Yeah,
very much
possibility.
possible. What was that one movie female lead role you wish you had played in the recent times? And after you came into the industry, you might have seen a couple of female lead roles. వేరే మూవీస్ లో చూసుంటారు కదా, ఇది నేను చేసుంటే బాగుండేది అలా ఏమైనా అనుకున్నారా?
I have some in mind, but I won't say.
You won't say.
For safety reasons.
For safety reasons. Okay, all right. What's Ivana's favorite travel destination?
Travel destination, actually, I would say the travel people I have, because even if I go to someplace nearby, it's about the people I'm traveling with. It's not about the destination.
Okay, you travel in a travel group. You have a travel group?
Yes.
Okay, so you always travel with them.
Yes.
Other than the movie shoots.
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. How is Ivana in real life? Off screen, Ivana ela untaru?
What do you think?
I think looking at you, you are so bubbly, lively, very vibrant and all. But I want to hear it from you. Don't use the same words I use.
No, I'm like this only. How you are seeing me right now.
Okay.
But of course, when I'm with my comfortable people, like my close friends, that is konjam different. We'll have this crazy kind of body gestures and everything.
Right.
This is not how I'll be sitting and all.
Right.
But mostly you'll see me like this only.
Okay. Well, Love Today movie lo the concept was to exchange the phones. Real life lo mimmalni ఎవరైనా exchange చేయమంటే what are the 3 things? Tell me any 3 things which you will not exchange at all. Only things you can't say people.
Clothes.
Don't
Because
exchange
whenever
clothes.
I exchange clothes with my friends, I'll give it back to them, but they won't give me back.
They won't give it back to you.
So no clothes.
Okay.
Then is lipstick.
Okay.
Same.
Same
She
thing
takes
with
it
lipstick.
but never gives me
I
back.
don't share my lipstick too. I don't like it.
And one more is rest and all, it's fine. Yeah, you can.
Just
Yeah.
only 2 things.
Yeah.
Everything else you'll exchange. Wonderful. You're not choosy at all. I thought you're choosy. One last thing. I can't help but notice you have amazing skin. Do you do any skincare, or are you a skincare person or a makeup person?
I'm more of a hair care person.
Hair care person.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So you don't do much of skincare?
I wash my face. I have this face wash, and and morning I have this serum which my brother gifted me for my birthday. I don't know the name though. He gave me, so I'm using it. And at night also he gave me a cream to use.
Your brother is gifting you all the.
Yeah, he's high maintenance.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he has lot of skincare things and all. And he one day he asked me, "What you're doing for your skin?" I said, "I wash my face."
Okay. That's
And he was waiting for the rest. And I was silent. So he sent me all those.
Okay. I wish I had a brother like that, who suggests and gives me all those beauty
Yeah.
products. So since you're saying that hair care తీసుకుంటాను అని ఒక hair care tip ఏదైనా చెప్పండి, because these days girls are having lot of hair fall. So any hair care tip?
Aloe vera is the best option, I would say.
So you
From my
consider it or
experience, I don't eat. I apply it on my hair only. Aloe vera and coconut oil would be a good option.
Wonderful. Girls అందరూ విన్నారు కదా, aloe vera with coconut oil, please do try.
Yes.
Well, before I close, what would you like to tell to the audience, to come, for the theaters and watch you over screen? What would you like to share with them?
So #single is a very fun, chala manji movie. I enjoyed a lot doing this movie, and I hope you'll also have the same excitement, enjoyment, laughter, and everything with your family, friends, kids, and everyone. So please watch #single on May 9th in theaters.
Thank you very much for your time,
Thank
Ivana.
you
It
so
was
much.
great time with you, I should say, and you've been so sweet answering all my questions. I wish you huge success with Single.
Thank
And also ఇంకా చాలా చాలా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ మీకు తెలుగులో రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
sweet.
అదండి, మరి విన్నారు కదా ఇవానా గారితో ముచ్చట్లు. ఇంకోసారి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక సెలబ్రిటీతో మీ ముందుకు మళ్ళీ సినిమా బజ్లో వస్తాను. అంతవరకు థ్యాంక్ యూ.